Can you do pages? I don't.
Yeah.
I had parts of it memorized, but I don't anymore. So let's just go through.
Okay.
We can do it like this.
I
I could do it. We could set it up so you can just pull pages off. Like, pull. Would that be easier?
Yeah, you sort of level side up.
I think so. Once the music starts, I think it's gonna be. Would it be too much to ask you guys to give us like a sense of the volume?
No.
No. That's fine. We can
So
practice
that-
it.
Is that cool? Just pull
Yeah.
2 pages off right now. Sorry. So it's gonna be like. Yeah. Oh, you want the first chord too? Ooh. Is that right? Doesn't really sound like too.
Oh, what?
So. Okay, so. Is that good for? Should we keep going? Is that good for sound?
That's good for sound.
That's good for sound.
Whenever, however you use.
Let's
whatever
do
you
it.
want.
Alright, that's awesome.
Let's do that right there again. This thing.
Okay.
And bless you, and I deeply do, no longer resolute, oh, and I call to you, but the water got so cold, and you do lose what you don't.
actually never learned this part because I would repeat the other thing. Remember?
Oh shit.
That's my bad. I don't even know. It's pretty. I don't even remember what we did. Do you guys have enough of that one?
Sure.
Do you want to try and gallop, or do you want to play the end of this one?
Do you want to try it from the beginning again?
Yeah, sure. Let's Okay, I remember what I remember what I did.
I think it's
I went back to
starting
7,
on
8.
page 2.
Yeah, well, I just 1, 2, and 7, 8.
All that you build. So we should leave 1, 2 here.
Wait, 1, 2. It's 1, 2, 3, and then it repeats as long as you can use those lyrics.
Okay.
And then on the second time around, you just take 1, 2, 3 off, and then we'll have 7, 8, 9. Yeah. We were going a little fast. Or I was going a little fast.
Yeah, I don't have a middle range right now. It's okay though. It's okay.
Alright.
Okay. So when do I have to take that off for you?
After the second verse, so right before and the mealy worms and the brine will burn.
Okay.
Nice. Okay.
And all that we built, and all that we
in the salty fire among the fawns and the ferns, and the love we build and the love we spurn will never grow old, only taciturn. And I tell you tomorrow, oh Sadie, go on home now. Bless us, those sick and below, and bless us who have chosen so. And all that I got, and all that I need, I tie in a knot, and I lay at your feet, and I have not forgot, but the silence crept over me. So dig up your bones, exhume your pine gone, my Sadie. Oh man. Alright, well, that was our I'm sorry. Can't do it.
Sounds okay. Sounds good.
Not the same.
You want to try something else?
I want to work on Sawdust and Diamonds. I don't know if these people want to put up with any more Joanna Newsom.
Are you sure you don't want to play End Gallop? Even if not for them, I'd like to run through it.
Alright, let's do it. You can. Have you been working on it?
I've played through it.
I don't know. What does it sound like in your microphone things?
Good.
Really
Listen
good.
to it.
Kind of. I don't know if I want to listen to
Let's wait till afterwards.
You have to take this time to register.
Word.
Alright, no saying crap when you're recording. You can't let them know that you're messing up.
I know. I was always.
Cause they're just stupid.
Maybe the level can go up just a tad.
I don't know if I need these last few.
It's gonna stand a different angle for this.
What's up?
I don't think I need
this
that.
one.
I think I just need the first three.
I might wrap that up.
Do you live in Chicago?
Mm-hmm.
So you guys will be around when Joanna and the Newsom start playing.
House parties.
Yeah,
Move the big ass harp then.
that'll be great.
All right.
Fred and I saw Joanna Newsom once. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Was it awesome?
Yeah. Remember that Fred? She opened for Blind Prince
Wait,
Building.
we did what?
We saw her. She opened for Blind Prince Building. No one knew who she was.
No, I wasn't at that show.
Oh, you weren't there?
No, I've never seen it.
That was at that weird like hookah bar in Champlain.
No.
Ready?
Yeah.
But she killed it.
Okay.